Hey gang, this is Joric. Welcome back to my channel. If you like my videos, please subscribe. Please let people know too if they're looking to move or visit Lisbon, Portugal to check out my channel. Hopefully it is informative for not only you, but for them as well. Today's topic is going to be a quick one, is fitness in Lisbon. Where to get it, how to go about doing it. So the first things first about it is the DIY method, do it yourself. With what has happened with the pandemic, many people could not go to a gym or a CrossFit facility, so they got equipment on their own, maybe some bands or some light weights, and did home workouts. Lisbon is pretty sunny for the most part of the year and dry, so you can go jogging or walking. With the number of hills here, you can walk up and down and get a good cardio workout as opposed to necessarily having to jog or run, but you can do that as well, or use your bicycle to get around and get exercise that way. So there's the do-it-yourself method. That's probably the easiest and most affordable, but there are a number of gym concepts here too, so I'm going to put some up on the screen. Probably the most prevalent in metropolitan Lisbon, both in Lisbon but also on the south side of the River Tejo, is Fitness Hut. There's, I think, over 20 that I counted that are available for individual through family memberships. They offer a bunch of classes, lots of locations. So that's probably the one that has the most amount of locations, maybe from a convenience standpoint. There's another one called Homes Place. I'm also putting that information up on the screen. I'll also link their websites in the description. They also have a number of locations across metropolitan Lisbon and into the suburban areas. There are several others. There's a fitness academy, has a couple of locations. Academia is one that we belong to because of proximity. It's close to us. They have a couple of locations. There are a handful of CrossFit facilities, so they're very small but handle CrossFit clients. There isn't necessarily a franchise. We haven't found like an Orange Theory or something like that, but there are a number of one-offs throughout the city if you're looking for that type of workout, as well as others. So there are numerous options for you. The do-it-yourself does make a lot of sense for many people because you can walk around or use your bicycle and get a lot of great exercise that way, good cardio. But if you're not looking to do the DIY method and you're looking to get a membership, there are a number of places, and we found that some of these start for as little as 20 to 25 euros a month and go up from there depending on whether you're adding dependents, a family plan, also the types of classes you're looking to do. Some of these places have classes included in membership. Some of them you still have to pay on top of for classes, but I'll give you links to a number of locations in the description so that while you're here you can enjoy Lisbon but also be fit while you're taking in the world, whether you're retiring here or just coming here for a short stay. So again, thank you. I hope that you found this video to be informative, and as always, have a great day.